worrying is not helpful, but we spend a lot of our time doing it. We have this negativity bias, so we're always thinking the negative's going to happen, and that is actually in our brains to actually serve us. It's actually there to keep us safe. But worrying doesn't help. It's like what you focus on grows. So what you're doing instead is you're saying, oh, you're worrying about something, but you're focusing on it, so then you're more likely for it to happen. So what I'm proposing is a 10-minute worry window, say from like 7 p.m. to 10 past 7 p.m. And what we want you to do is, you're not allowed to worry during the day, but you're only allowed to worry through this 10-minute little time space. And so if you find yourself worrying any other time during the day, what you want to do is write down on a piece of paper and then put it down for later. Then at 7 o'clock, take your pieces of paper and go into a place where you won't be disturbed and sit, and you're allowed to worry from 7 to 10 past 7, or any time when you're choosing, if it wants to be whenever you want to. I don't recommend doing it first thing in the morning, because you want to really get your day to be really awesome. So you don't want to start your day by worrying about things. You want to be in a high vibe and be like what you're grateful for, so that the rest of the day you're like, today's gonna be awesome, and I'm grateful for this. So you're in a high vibe, so the rest of your day plays out like that. So I don't recommend doing a worry window in the morning, but you can do it in the evening if you want, or in the daytime. And anything you want to worry about, you just wait and you worry about it during this time. So you write it down, you grab that again at your time, and then you're allowed to worry between the next 10 minutes and go somewhere where you won't be disturbed, so you can full on worry about it for 10 minutes and then put it aside, and you're not allowed to worry about it again.